Welcome to Crispy and Spicy YouTube channel. Today my recipe is crispy evening snack. Let's see what ingredients we will need. Some macaroni, corn flour, all-purpose flour, black salt, red chili powder and some oil. We have to boil the macaroni first. Add some water and add little oil, pinch of salt, wait until become boiled water. Now we have to put the macaroni in boiled water. Cook it until it becomes soft. Now our macaroni is cooked well. We have to drain the all water. Drain all water from macaroni. Keep it beside until become cold, like 10 minutes. It being cold now, we have to add it now. 4 tablespoons corn flour, and 4 tablespoons all-purpose flour. Mix it very well. Ready to fry it now. Add some oil. Let it become heat. And try to fry it medium flame. All macaroni now. Now we have to add the red chili powder 2 teaspoons. And black salt half teaspoon. And mix it well. ready now. Thank you watching. Please try my recipe and give me your feedback. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and please press the bell button and click the all. Stay safe, stay home. See you soon with my new recipe.